See the weather? It's February. Inland Croatia is freezing at -10 degrees Celsius, and here in central Dalmatia, sunny and warm, perfect for winter sailing. We wanted to show you our new boat. A beauty, isn't she? In the background, you can see Lighthouse Smulo, dated back to 1873. On a small rock, with trees washed away by the storms, lies one of 48 monumental lighthouses built by the Austro-Hungarian Empire in the 19th century. We will be visiting some of them in our brand new open sea adventure sailing program. The program features this boat, so we'll take a little tour. Inside this big comfy saloon are leather seats, fully equipped kitchen, AC and heating, TV, Wi-Fi, and everything you need for a comfortable stay. This is a double cabin. We have 2 such cabins on the boat, each with their own private bathroom. And if you really want to sail like a king, this is a full comfort master cabin. We are really proud of our new boat. We hope that you will join us so we could share some of the excitement, along with some great time in new locations for adventures. This year, we sail further.